Hello guys, this is Cyber Digado from Digado Technologies, and today I'm going to show you how you can create users, how you can create users and groups. This is going to help you especially when you are enabling, let me say, or when you are mapping a drive. Okay, good. When you are mapping a drive within your network, okay, the security measures that you have to be putting in place. But today in this video I'm going to show you a section of it. Okay, good. I'm going to show you how you are going to create your users and your groups to map that network drive, so that the workers within your company can access a particular shared folders, or let me say shared document within your network in your company. Okay, good. So what do I mean? I mean, you see, within a company, let me take a banking institution. Okay, for instance, let me take a banking institution for instance. So if you want to share an idea, or let me say, if you want to share a particular folder or document for the workers within that company, you see, you can't do it manually. Okay, going to each worker, giving them that folder, no, it's quite tedious. So what our cybersecurity people does is, you create a network mapping drive, or you map a drive, or you map a folder within that company, so that the workers can access it. Good. And as cybersecurity people, we are always interested in our security. Okay, good. So what am I insinuating? I mean, as a cybersecurity person or analyst, you have to be putting in place some protocols, so that that particular document or folder that you are sharing won't be, let me say, hacked. Okay, good. So that it won't be hacked. Okay, good. So that is what I'm going to show you for today, or that's what I'm going to teach you for today. Okay, good. So let's begin. But as I said, for today I'm only going to show you a portion of it. I'm only going to show you the groups or the users of which you will be creating for your for the members within your company. Okay, good. So what you'll be doing is, at first you'll be going to your file manager, then you go to this PC. Okay, good. This PC, then you right click on this PC, then you go to manage. You're going to manage on your computer, or let me say on your server. Good. One thing is, if the company isn't having a virtual server, or let me say a physical server, you can do it on one of your Windows operating systems. Okay, good. But you see, you have to be in the same network, so that the workers within that company can access that particular folder you are mapping. Exactly. Good. So as I said, I'm only showing you a part of it, how you are going to create groups and users. Okay, good. Because some folders are only meant for let me say the manager, and some folders are only meant for, let me say, front desk people. Okay, for instance, if you are working within a banking sector, some folders are only meant for the cashiers. Okay, so a folder or a directory that you want to share with your manager shouldn't be accessible by any other worker. So in this case, you have to create groups and users for them. Okay, good. So as I said, you'll be going to this PC. Okay, then you right click on it, then you click on manage. Okay, good. Let me get back and show you once again. You click on this PC, you right click, then you select manage. Okay, good. So a pop-up will open up for you. as you can see. Let me maximize this one so that you can see it clearly. So you can see from here we have local users and groups. So you just select on that. Okay, local users and groups. As you can see, users and groups here. So for instance, I have to create a group, okay, so that within that group I can put in the users that are going to access that mapped folder. Okay, good. So I'll click on the groups. I can right click and click on new group. Okay, so I'm going to name it as let me say managers. Okay, good. Managers, you can add a description. Okay, so for instance, this sorry managers, this group is for the managers within the company. Then click on create. Good. So it has been created. It has been created. Okay, good. So as you can see, let me create another group for you to see. So I'm creating another group which is meant for, let me say, the cashiers. Okay, good. So new group, then I name it as cashiers. Okay, then I create one, or I click on create. Okay, I can also create another group. You can also come here, you click on more actions, as you can see, then you click on new group. So this group is, let me say, for your IT guys within your company. So IT guys, so that the IT people can access a particular folder within your company. So you click on create. Good, good. So let me close this one. So how am I going to be sure the groups have been created? You just come to groups here, you click on it. Okay, so as you can see, those that I just created are here. Okay, the cashiers are here, the IT guys are here, the managers are here. Okay, good. So the groups that I just created are three: cashiers, IT guys, and then the managers. You see, I added a description to the managers. This group is for the managers within the company. Okay, good. As you can see, I didn't add any description to the cashiers or the IT guys. For that, is your own option for you to at least add some description to it. Okay, that boils down to you. Good. So what can I do to these groups? Okay, I can come to more options and add users to it. Okay, good. So I can come to more options and add users to it. You get it? Good. So what can I do with this one? Let me click on all tax, or sorry, let me come to properties here. Okay, as you can see, this group is the managers within the company. Okay, so how can I, let me say, add users, okay, to these groups? So you have to go back and click on users. Okay, these are my default users. Okay, good. You can right click, then you come to new user. Okay, good. So assuming Mr. Akwasi, okay, is part of the managers. So let me create Mr. Akwasi. Mr. Akwasi. Okay, I can add a description. A manager. A manager. Okay. So afterwards you can let me see, add passwords to it. Okay, so user must change password at next logon. Okay, So for me, I'm going to disable this one. Okay, good. Akwasi. Then let me confirm, Mr. Akwasi. Okay, then user must change password at next logon. You can uncheck it. Okay, good. That one boils down to you. So I'm clicking on create. Good. So I've just created a new user. Let me click let me create another user. For instance, Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson is part of the cashiers. Okay, so let me type here cashier. Okay, for the password is Mr. Wilson, but don't copy this one. Okay, always try to put in a secured password. Okay, I beg your pardon. Just try to always put in a secured password so that it won't be brute forced by any hacker, so that it won't be hacked by any hacker. Okay, good. I will just click on create, as you can see. So let me just create another user. I'm an IT guy, cyber Digado. Okay, so the description will be IT guy, and my password is 12345 6. That's my password. Okay, 12345 6. You let me change this one so that I will remember it whenever I'm continuing with these tutorials. Okay, good. So let me make it at cyber Digado. Let me just confirm here. Cyber Digado. I'll click on create. Good. So I'm done. As you can see, cyber Digado. Okay, I'm having Mr. Akwasi, I'm having Mr. Wilson, and as you can see from the description, Mr. Wilson is a cashier, and then Mr. Akwasi is a manager over here. And as you can see, cyber Digado is an IT guy. Okay, good. So how are we, or how are you going to add those users to the groups? Okay, good. So you just come to the groups here. Okay, good. Then you click on the cashier. Let me get back again. Who is the cashier over here? Who is the cashier? Okay, Mr. Wilson is the cashier. Okay, good. So I'll just come to groups here, then choose on the cashiers. Right click, select properties. Okay, then I'm going to add the users. So I'll just click on add. Okay, good. Then I click on advanced. Then I'll select find now. So let's check Mr. Wilson from here. As you can see, Mr. Wilson. Okay, just double click on that and click on OK. Then I click on apply, then OK. Okay, good. So what again? I have to add the users to the next groups that we just created. Okay, good. So I'll just come on the groups here, the IT guys, select that, right click on it and select the properties, then click on add. Afterwards, I'm going to select advanced, then click on find now. For the IT guys, cyber Digado is an IT guy, so I'm just going to double click on cyber Digado, click on OK, I click on apply, then OK. Good. So it left with the managers. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just going to select the managers, right click, select the properties, then I have to add the user. Okay, that is Mr. Akwasi, who is a manager to the managers group. Then I click on add, then click on advanced, select find now. So as you can see, Mr. Akwasi is a manager. Mr. Akwasi. So yes, Mr. Akwasi. I'm going to double click on that. Click on OK. Click on apply. Then click on OK. So I'm done. Basically, I'm done. Okay. So the users have been added to the groups. So if you want to find out, just click on manage. Sorry, the manager. As you can see, Mr. Akwasi is within the managers. Okay, that means Mr. Akwasi is a manager, and the folder that he has to be accessed must be different from the folders. Let me see, the cashiers will be accessing. You get it? Good. So let me click on OK. Let me choose IT guys. As you can see, Cyber Digado is over here. Okay, good. Then let me click on the cashiers. Mr. Wilson is a cashier. So guys, basically this is how you create or recreate groups users, and also at the same time how you can add the users within the groups.